Morning. Instruction to flying squad team and static surveillance team to take care of business interest. Continuous monitoring is being maintained by FST SST as per the instructions of the Election Commission of India. All efforts are being made by the district administration to conduct the election process smoothly. In this sequence, the FST SST team is continuously monitoring the cash and other valuable items. The district election officer gave instructions in the meeting of the official of the agency responsible for expenditure monitoring to take continuous action against illegal money, material and material not displayed in the expenditure. Please see the description box for detailed information. Thank you.
લોકસભાના વોટ 2024 स्वतंत्र અને નિષ્પક્ષ કરાવવા વાસ્તે ઉड़न दस्ता बनाया है जकेरे में फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड टीम, स्टैटिक सर्विलेंस टीम, वीडियो सर्विलेंस टीम, वीडियो वेरीफाइंग टीम, अकाउंट टीम रो एडी टीमों रो जाब्तो कलेक्टर साहब कीनो है। ये टीमों ने भारत सरकार री चुनाव आयोग रे